Hello friends, I am Reshmi Saji. I was on a saga to reduce my 76 kg weight. With the zest to explore a befitting health center, I have taken rejuvenation from several hospitals, which has now been zeroed down with the best place at Pranavam in Trivandrum. This beautiful small cozy clinic enabled me to control of my lifestyle. The kind of homely ambience, hygiene have been exemplary. Above all, the care offered by each and every staff, coupled with the quality of treatment and play, prove that Pranavam is a place to rejuvenate, revitalize, and reinvent yourself. The warmth provides a patient with speedy recovery. The customized treatment plans and out of the box approach, which we hardly find in a hospital. In a short while, I have reduced from 76 kg to 66 kg with amazing improvement in the strength and flexibility of my body. With my photos, before and after my treatment amply proves my narration. I have documented my stay at Pranavam. Let's have a look. Hi, good morning. I would like to document how a day is spent at Pranavam. Now let me get fresh. I got my herbal tea. This is Sri Lankan Royal Heritage Tea. Now morning session starts with nasal cleansing, pebble walking and yoga. This is our main entrance. This is a yoga hall. His name is Tulasika. We've got a herbal garden over there. There's betel leaves, neem, kadanochi, then badam koli, and a lot of plants, herbal plants like that. And see this? I think this is used for the treatment of PCOS. Looks beautiful, right? Listing Sanskrit names, they point for each and every rose. Nakshatra, Hiranya, Prithvi, Tejas, Darshana, Tulsika, Jwala, Abhi, a few. After yoga, I would like to sit here and relax. Thank you. Here's my color therapy water. This is my breakfast. After yoga and meditation, now we have a whole range of treatments starting with either hip bath, spinal bath or hot foot bath. Then come 2 sets of massages, one with oil and another a cream or herbal paste. Physiotherapy is also included with this treatment and the day ends with a healthy dinner. friends, I requested Dr. Adra to do the rest of the documentation. Doctor, I have told you that I have taken various treatments in different places. I am familiar with Ayurveda and naturopathy treatment across the state. But doctor, I should say, Pranavam definitely stands out.
Thank you, Rashmi.
Doctor. Let me tell you the difference I've noticed in Pranavam. Dedication of Dr. Adira. Second is, I was very comfortable over here. The family setup. So I didn't feel that I'm away from home. Even staff, they were cordial and professional. Doctor, I would like to add a message to every woman out there. They always carry out their family, the office work, their kids. But how much time are they keeping for themselves? One should find some time for rejuvenation therapy at least once in a year. Holistic therapy for the mind, body and soul. I recommend Pranavam. The massages at Pranavam are different, for the techniques are different. It's a beautiful combination of Ayurvedic Abhyanga and naturopathic Swedish or deep tissue massage. Now regarding the food is customized to each and every client. I had a very lovely neighbor, Sunita ma'am, and she was staying next to my room. And she was staying in Tejas. I would like to thank doctor's grandmother and mother as well for their delicious food they have given. The curries, especially avial and sambar, wow, so tasty it was.
Rashmi, you asked me about the properties of bamboo and why bamboo theme is part of Pranavam.
Yes.
The thing is that bamboo as a raw material, it's really good because it is flexible, it is easy to work with, it is most eco-friendly. And other than that, bamboo leaves, if you take the bamboo leaves, some of the herbal teas we make, we add bamboo leaves to it, and that is really good for reducing your LDL cholesterol. It is good for building your collagen. You know, collagen is the thing that what keeps your skin firm. It is good for rejuvenation. So notice that some of the elements inside bamboo, it is capable of making, healing cut wounds, scars and all. So in general, bamboo is really good. In Chinese traditional medicine, they consider bamboo as the positive, the key element, the healing element. So I try to, take bamboo to our Pranavam as well.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Thus, my stay at Pranavam Clinic has been the most memorable in my wellness journey. And before I leave, I'm going to give a doctor who turned out to be my sister a small gift, a token of love.
Baby, you got it for me, right? Thank you.
Doctor, I'm leaving you now. Want you to come back next year at the same time.
Thank you, Rashmi. I'm looking forward to meet you next year.